18
inches.
Yep, of rain in the last 6 hours. And it's the airport down there, that Albert Wooded Airport, right by the Dollar Museum. Little small private airport. So that's about 1.5 miles from here. Yep.
I think we're actually getting more rain than they expected.
Yeah, it is.
They were only expecting like one possibly.
That is true, yeah. We are getting a lot more rain.
We're already at almost 2 feet. We're probably going to pass 2 feet of rainfall.
Yeah, we're going to blast through that. We'll probably pass that in 15 or 20 minutes. So we'll pass 2 feet. Because these squalls are producing rainfall rates of 6 to 8 inches per hour for short bursts of time, lasting about 20 minutes. So the average would be like, say, 4 inches per hour. Oh, you want me to turn them off, or?
I think they're still on.
Yeah, with this car, they don't go off unless you turn the car off. This is the best I can do.
Oh, another transfer. I want this video.
That's a wild one right there. You doing okay, Ron?
Yeah, I'm just fine. Thank
It literally just feels like a road trip. Are we there yet?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, I would have brought my water, my food, my pillow, a change of clothes. I do have a pair of sweatpants and a t-shirt if you want. Yep. Here, this is moderate for public sale. Yeah, okay, I'm not trying to calm it down. I was thinking inland home. Oh my god. Just curious.
Yeah.
How long do you think it'll be until it's safe for you to take this to the garage?
Oh, at the rate it's moving, latest midnight. Latest in 2 hours.
I was gonna say,
When I looked, it was looking like midnight.
And it'll be safe though, like
Yeah,
not
yeah.
worried about power lines.
Holy smokes. What I'll do is I put my high beams on and I drive very slowly.
Well, the power lines,
assessing
all
for
the power's
power
fucking
lines.
out.
Oh, dude, look at those trees.
Is it just gonna keep getting worse?
To a point, to the very southernmost part of the northern Iowa.
Be done after 9:30, and here it is going on 10:30, and it's like getting stronger.
These hurricanes, they have like a mind of their own. It's like everything's alive on this earth. Mother Nature, it's got a mind of its own. You know what I mean? I guess, you know, we poked the bear of Mother Nature long enough. She's like, all right, now you all are gonna see.
I got it.
What was the thing you used for losing a weight? Sarah,
What? My story.
you said like you used something for losing a weight.
Losing weight?
Yeah.
Like physical weight?
What do you, it was a lot of things that made me, it was over 3 years that I lost extra weight.
You were
Yeah, but
supposed
that wasn't how I lost 70 pounds. 40-day fast was spiritual.
What?
How did you?
I started eating according to my feminine cycle. I started working out, moving more, getting more steps in every day. I mean, I'm not doing any of that right now. You know, my life has taken a very drastic turn.
Eating how?
I ate with my feminine cycle. I ate with my feminine cycle, so that means I ate with my period, essentially.
So you're not eating, you're just eating. other place, which is where we're planning to go. I just want to go and chill.
I know. I'm sorry. As soon as I can, I promise I'll take you wherever you want to, wherever you're most comfortable. I'll take you as soon as I can.
Rama, you don't need to lose weight though. You're perfect.
What?
You don't need to lose weight though. You're perfect.
No, I want to be a more fit.
Well, here's the thing. It's all strength. You just want to be strong.